Most people think buying a house is just the down payment and the mortgage. Nope. There are hidden costs that hit new homeowners like a surprise boss fight. And if you're not ready, they wreck your budget fast. Today, we're breaking down the hidden costs nobody explains clearly. Not the obvious stuff, the sneaky stuff, the stuff that shows up after you get the keys. Let's get into it. First hidden cost, closing costs. Most buyers know they exist, but they underestimate them. These can run anywhere from 2% to 5% of the home price. On a $400,000 house, that's 8 to 20 grand. That's not pocket change. You're paying for appraisals, title fees, loan origination fees, legal paperwork, processing charges. It's like a cover charge just to enter the homeowner club. Next, property taxes. These are not optional, and they can go up a lot. People forget taxes can change after purchase, especially if values rise. Your payment can climb even if your loan stays the same. Maintenance is the silent budget killer. Stuff breaks, stuff wears out, stuff leaks at 2 a.m. A good rule: plan 1% of the home value per year for maintenance. $350,000 house? That's $3,500 a year. Every year. Utilities in a house are usually higher than in an apartment. More square footage, more heating, more cooling, more everything. That electric bill hits different when you're paying for the whole building. Nobody talks about move-in spending. Furniture, tools, curtains, lawn gear, storage, random stuff you never needed before. The first 60 days after moving in are expensive. If there's an HOA, that's another monthly hit. Some are small. Some feel like a second mortgage. Always check the HOA fee before you fall in love with the house. Here's the big point. If you only budget for the mortgage, you're underestimating reality. And underestimating reality is how people get house poor. Smart buyers plan for total cost, not just loan payment. Mortgage plus taxes plus insurance plus maintenance plus utilities. That's the real number. If your budget only works when nothing goes wrong, your budget doesn't work. Before you buy anything, you need to watch my earlier breakdowns. Go watch How to Calculate Your Safe Home Price and Why the Bank's Approval Number is Lying to You. Those two videos will save you from the biggest money mistakes. They're linked on screen and in the description. Watch those next, seriously, before you make an offer. Subscribe for real estate explained in plain English. No hype, no pressure. See you in the next one.